This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Valerie ORoke. Spacious one-owner rancher in South Berkeley County featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms and 1 half bath, 2-car attached garage with storage, large kitchen, separate dining room, laundry room/mud room, double pantry, sunroom, deck, shed with electric, fenced backyard, formal living room and separate family room with a fireplace. 30-year roof installed in 2009, central AC installed in 2014, roof-mounted power attic ventilator installed in 2013, windows installed in 2013, water treatment system. Convenient location just of Route 11, minutes to I-81, P&G and Amazon. Backs to farmland. Seller offering a 1-year home warranty. Call today and make it your new home in the new year. For more information,